Hi, I'm Pino of Leather Therapy Products. I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is to transform this seat from its dirt and road grime back to its original condition with Leather Therapy Products. And if you stick around, I'm going to show you later on how quick and easy it is to clean your jacket in a washing machine. Stay tuned. The first step is to clean off the dirt and debris with the Leather Therapy wash. Just simply spray it on, take a cloth and wipe it off. We're going to do half the seat. This way you can see the difference between the before and the after aspects of the products. There is no need to rinse. You can do your seat whether or not it's leather or vinyl, and here's some vinyl components that we'll spray it on and remove the dirt and debris from that as well. It dries residue free and reverses some of the oxidation effects you get from the sun. And the best effect is that the dirt comes off on a cloth and does not stay on a seat. The second step is to apply some of the Restore and Conditioner onto the leather or the vinyl to help reverse the oxidation effects and the drying elements of the sun. Just pour a little bit on the sponge and just simply wipe across the surface. You can see it's starting to absorb and bringing back that leather and vinyl to a wonderful black color with a nice protective sheen. What you're seeing here, aside from the dirt that we removed with the wash, is some of the degradation of the surface parts of the leather or the vinyls. So the Restorer will help to reduce that oxidation effect, as I mentioned, and the drying effects of the sun. Now you can see the difference between the dirty old seat and one that we transformed to like a showroom condition. Leather Therapy works hard, so you don't have to. Now follow me into the showroom and I will show you the rest of our product lines. The first one is Leather Therapy Wash. It's an anionic surfactant that is used to maintain all your apparel and gear from all of the dirt, bugs, debris, and the elements. Spray it on, wipe it down. Your tools are very simple. A sponge or a microfiber cloth will do it. Take this and spray it on the dirt and debris that accumulates on your leather chaps, saddlebags, and jackets. The second product is Leather Therapy Restore and Conditioner. This one here helps to maintain the color tone of your leathers and vinyls, prevents the oxidizing effects, and also contains a UV protector to minimize fading in the sun and the elements. It's the only product on the market that also contains a mold and mildew inhibitor to prevent any of the deterioration and the white stuff from forming on your equipment while it's being stored in a garage or a shed. We then move to our topical products and protective products. The one here on the left is called Leather Therapy Water Repellent, and that will protect your gear, particularly your suede and porous items, from rain and water penetrating into the leathers or the vinyls. The second one is Leather Therapy Finish. This provides actually a flexible acrylic coat on the surface parts of the leather to give it repellency and help to restore the leather from any kinds of abrasions or nicks or cuts that accumulate on the leather. Let's check out some real-world results on leather gear. This is a saddlebag that was full of dirt and mud and debris, and this is after we've treated it with the Restorer and the wash. When your leather gear is subject to the elements, the residue and buildup that you have on the leather, as well as humidity, can wind up building up mold and mildew on the leather. Our products are used to remove that and help to prevent the return. We clean that with the wash and then put our Restore and Conditioner on it. And this shoe was done 3 years ago, and you can see there's no migration back on the area that we treated. Occasionally as you ride, you will get scuffs or scrapes on your boots, jackets, and other apparel. We have a way of bringing those back. We developed a product called Leather Therapy Touch-Up. It actually puts a black acrylic compound on your leather to fill in the cracks and the crevices caused by those abrasions. Restores the black on the zipper areas or the elbows or cuffs of your jackets. And the clear finished product will then complete the job by restoring the leather to its almost original condition. You can bring them back, and most importantly, once you have that done, it will not come off on your skin or on your apparel. Now here's a pair of chaps that went through a lot of dirt and debris and bugs. That was the before, and this is the after. And here's a jacket that also went through the ravages of weather and dirt and bugs. You can see it accumulating, taking the color tone out of the leather and causing dryness to the part that we actually brought back with the Restore and Wash, and also touched up the cuffs and the elbows with a black touch-up. Have you ever been riding and got caught in the rain with your suede apparel? Let me show you how we can protect that from fading and the elements that you encounter. On one side here, when it gets wet, you'll see that the water starts to penetrate into it, bringing in the dirt and debris, making it more difficult to clean later on. And then subsequently on the side here that we treated, you'll see the color tone remaining without the penetration, and eliminates your fear from the elements. What do you do when your chaps, jackets, or other leather apparel get really grungy and smelly? Well, we have the solution. You can actually clean those items in a washing machine with our leather infusion wash and leather infusion rinse. Think of this like your Tide and your Downy for leather. And now the moment you've all been waiting for. Do you believe it? You can wash leather in a washing machine. Well, we have a patented process that allows you to do exactly that. If your jacket has seen its better days, getting dirty on the outside, getting smelly on the inside, we're going to show you how to recondition and refresh all of that. To prevent scratching, you want to zipper up the jacket. This way the zipper doesn't start to make scratches on the leather. If your washer has blades, the old agitator type, we suggest turning your jacket inside out. For the new high efficiency machines, you don't have to do that. You just place the article into the washing machine. We set the washer to the cold water setting, put the article in the machine, turn the water on, and then you add 2 to 4 ounces of the infusion wash to the laundry. For some machines that have an automatic dispenser, you would then immediately add the infusion rinse to that dispenser. This machine, however, wants you to put it in separately with that cycle, so we're going to do that later on. Or most importantly, if you miss that cycle, you can sponge coat the restorer onto the wet article when it comes out of the machine. Now that the washer has completed its cycle of washing and rinsing, the rinse was either dispensed through the machine dispenser or hand applied. When they come out, you can either lay them flat on a towel, or you could take it and hang it up on a hanger with a towel, or for 15 or 20 minutes max on the fluff air cycle, no heat, put it into the dryer. The wash contains both a surfactant for cleaning and water-soluble oils so that it does not deplete the pliability of the leather while you're washing it. The rinse actually adds more emollients back into the leather, so when it comes out, it's not going to dry stiff or hard. You didn't believe it, but hopefully we were able to show you how effective our products work in a washing machine. If you have any further questions, please contact your Biker's Choice or Tucker Rocky rep, or look us up on the website at leathertherapy.com. Thanks so much for watching.